Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to change Pokemon Go Google account to Trainer Club. This is simple. You need tools in the slide down in the Pokeball, okay? Now in the corner on the top you can see option settings. Okay, here you can see your account, those here. Now you can see your 4 options, okay? Google, Apple, Facebook and account to Trainer Club, okay? In this moment you have Google account. You need put first account to Trainers Club, ¿vale? Pokemon Trainers Club first. When you finish, can you remove your Google account? But before no, it's simple, okay? Put first your Pokemon Trainer account and then remove your Google account or Facebook or Apple account, whatever, okay? This is all. This is all. Sorry for my English, not is the best, but I want trying to speak better my English, okay? Now I know that is awful, but let me cook, okay? This is all for this video. See you later, man. See you later in another time. Have a good day.